What's up, YouTube? What's up, future investors? What's up, cryptocurrency community? What's up, crypto hype? I am welcoming you and myself back. If you are new here, happy to have you on board. If you've been here before, so welcome you back. No, an investment advice. The information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading
Welcome
advice.
back to Crypto Hype. Welcome you back, all of you, and welcome to the new subscribers in this channel. I really appreciate you a lot enjoying this channel, enjoying us in this journey. Today, we're not gonna do a pretty-detailed video. We're just gonna do a price prediction for what you see in front of your eyes, which is the mbox that just rallied, 180% out of nowhere, but it has its reasons why it just jumped in that surge like that, in that spike that it did on the chart. So let's just see and find out what is the cause of that jump to the highest or all-time high on the chart. As you can see here, we are in the official website. It's really good made graphic, easy to like for the eyes. It's just nice, and they've just done a pretty good job by also simplifying it to the user that he may want to browse the website itself. So they have just a lot of things. I mean, it's just a couple months ago I've been this in website, it was almost like empty, it wasn't that much, but today we've seen a lot of development work in background been done, and they've done pretty good damn job in here. This is just like kind of a badass website. So this graphic is really nice, it's easy, and the colors even are matched, and everything is really insane here, and they like the graphic and the design. So if you want to go to the roadmap, that's up to you. That's gonna take us time. That's not the main reason for today. You have here a lot of things: mobile farmers, games, NFT marketplace, governance, and all that. So let's just jump in. Even before we see the price jump for the currency or the inbox, we've seen before a lot of news coming before even that happened, and it's already announced. I think that was announced in September that they will be giving 1 million coins out soon as they finish the collab with Binance Labs. So here is the Twitter official website. If you're gonna want to go there, give them a follow. If you want to stay tuned for any news, this is the official right here trio they made. So that was all of it. So it was like less than 25 seconds. It was 1 million mystery box given away. So that mystery box also, we're gonna see what that means. As also as you can see here, they've been like listed on the top or on the number one on the most bullish gaming project on social media the other days, the last week from the 20th November to today. When it comes to know how you can find out the bullishness of a project, or even how you could know that a price movement will happen, or there's a bullishness signals are alarming themselves that the price will move higher. It just comes first from social media. That's the volume of tweets, the volume of likes. I don't know, it's just the volume of the social media comes at the first, then it followed with the news, then it followed with the volume and the price itself, then the action happened on the chart. Okay, so here the article that been published on the 18th November, the Binance Lab makes strategic investment in Inbox. So the day that was launched on Inbox, it was 2 days after, or 3 days even after being listed on Gate, because it was listed on Gate first, and then it followed by listing it on Binance, and it was trading on Gate at that time $4 to almost $6. But as soon as it just get launched on Binance, immediately it hits like almost $12 right there. Since then, it came again down. So here is the article. Since launching in April 2021, Inbox has successfully launched 3 NFT games, attracting 800,000 users and plus for the first 6 months. The process 200 plus million NFT trade happened, and over 1 million unique NFT have been minted on Binance Smart Chain. So that's really right there the news that they like been published before, which is occurred yesterday, 30th of November, where they did the mystery box giveaway. So there is here a lot of news that followed that event. Inbox here we find out in City Telegraph, they titled the article about the Inbox with the Inbox launch Momoverse on Binance ecosystem. Here's a lot of information here if you kind of go through that. Then we have the queenjournal.net also titled it with Inbox is up 67% in last 24 hours. Where to buy Inbox, blah blah blah. So actually, it was more than 67% that wins to. Here again, another website, Somali Update, I think the name of it. Inbox price analytic after Inbox price jumped over 50% high. So there's a pretty lot of information also they've been shared here. They'll appreciate it. Inbox price today is 14, which is more than that today. Inbox trading volume is over 2.85 billion, guys. This is a huge and insane. This is just a crazy volume. It's already like explained itself why it just rise to that price. And if just there is more volume than this, we're gonna end up by $33 on that range. So it is more than 68%, 24 hours. Inbox market cap is more than 1.17 billion with a circulation supply of 79 million box coins out of 1 billion Inbox coins right there. So the last one that we want to share with you is the Inbox surge 50% 24 hours, which is also highlighted in Yahoo or uksport.yahoo.com. Here they give a pretty explanation for what this is all about and what's actually the mystery box that been the hype all about it. So you can find it here, the mystery box Momo NFT, which is highlighted here with the blue, with the yellow. I'm sorry. Momo NFT mystery box is rewarded to the user who stake their Inbox token. You can stake your Inbox token on Binance or in the official website too. In an incentive the platform creates to compel its user to hold its token. Inbox took to the Twitter update and they said they update their followers that they sell the Momoverse for about 100k of it for the residents. The future plan right here, I don't know what they're trying to say here, but it's just an approximately expectation for the Inbox team included creating legendary NFT for esport player as well as Rivmap of a cross-chain yield farming set to occur in early 2020, meaning they will again launch a new application that will be again really huge. Token holders will be given the opportunity to vote NFT and games, blah blah blah, which is already known in many games. So you can take a part of the vote. The platform here again says the platform provides various games for its users to take part in, as well as being able to stake in liquidity pool or use Momo NFT to earn rewards paid in Inbox token with the aim to connect each metaverse through the NFT. If you just focus on this Inbox token, okay, a reward paid in inbox token. So whatever the reward is, you're gonna be paid it back with the inbox token, meaning this inbox token has utility in itself and will be in circulation from here to the future, which will cause also the price to move more than what we see in today. So lastly, we're gonna have another article here which is investing Cobb, titling it with inbox price prediction. Inbox could be the next big thing in the metaverse. Maybe not, but this is how it is in cryptocurrency. You have your ups and downs. So today inbox has its ups, and congratulations for that. So there's a little bit information here, which also in terms of coin market cap, you can just see here this huge like spike out of, I don't know how much it talks. It just talks couple hours. I mean 6-7 hours to get in there, which is really insane. So for the price prediction, guys, we have here a prediction, as you can see. So it's just, I mean, from the previous high till before yesterday, it just did a cup. Okay, this called a cup and hand, like a cup and hand of a glass. So here a cup, and here the hand of the cup, and then from there, boom. Usually when you see this in a chart, it's just a very bullish signal that the coin is trying to break out to the upside. If I want to go here and see the analytics with you, we see in the market right here is pretty like messy. Bitcoin doesn't want to stop in nowhere. It just want to play upside and downside. So it may really go down to the 50 because that's where the real resistance will occur. So as you can see here, that's here the previous resistance and the previous support, I'm sorry, and the previous resistance from the all-time high, which was under $10. So as soon as we just break that, we spike up. Right now today, or at this moment, we are seeing more than 50% drop, as we didn't even hold into, this is a 4 hours time frame chart. So we didn't hold on the 50, so we may we didn't hold in 60, whether in 50 Fibonacci retracement. So we are going down to $9. So there we're gonna happen a pullback. Okay, we've seen a lot of a high volume waiting in this area on 0.23 between 7 and 8, as I saw in this shared chart right here. As you see this volume right here in the corner, so this is about $7.30, about 7-8, between $8 and $7, and the very volume that's really waiting down there, it's about $4, $3. So that's really hard to go there unless we really have a collapse in Bitcoin. So the expectation for this this mbox, when it comes to the upside, you're gonna pull back again from the 22, you're gonna pull back, do some correction on the 18, almost 17, and then continue the journey to 30, 33, and from there the 42, from 42 to 48. So these are, you have to consider those are a selling points where you want to sell and buy back when it comes back. And if we want to just calculate that in terms of the 5 waves right here, so this is the first wave, and then the second wave comes to downside, the third one happens to the upside, and the fourth one happens again to downside. The fifth will be a continuation to the upside, which is gonna be right there to the 2021. This is what usually happens when it comes to the impulse wave Elliots right here. When you measure the chart with the 5 waves, especially when the coin is bullish. So we're gonna expect another pullback to the upside, where they're gonna do another all-time high. So from there, yeah, we're gonna see and how the mass adoption grows, and with that will also the price grow. And if the price, if it happens that the price of Bitcoin pulls back, so we're gonna see more correction to downside. What we can see from here, from this price in front of us, that is trying to really to do a kind of circle round, which is do like this and go and do the cut, like the correction, and from there pull back again to the all-time high. So that's we are actually above the 50 moving averages. As a 20 moving averages, they are spiking up, signaling like continuation of a bull trend. And even on the daily is the same thing right here, so it's the same. In terms of the momentum is also still up, the same for the RSI. The real estate index is also still up, so all the indexes shows there's a positive trend. You can enter it from here from $10, almost $9, and from there you enjoy it for the rest of the trade. And you have to consider also do selling points as an exit to make some profit and buy back again. Don't get screwed, use your stop losses. So that's it pretty much for today. I hope you liked that video. Please subscribe and share this content if you like it and you find value out of it. I hope you all the best, trade wisely, and see you soon. Bye bye.